These sautéed mushrooms and onions are scrumptious, easy, dependable, and versatile. Put the ingredients on your shopping list today and make yourself a little piece of heaven. Hi everyone! Welcome back to the Unsalted Kitchen. For today's menu, not really menu, for the sides, I'm going to make mushroom and onion sauté. So here are the ingredients. Let's get started. First, give mushroom a quick rinse right before you plan to cook with them. How I slice my mushrooms? I cut it in half, turn it to its side, and slice it thin. Next, do the same thing with onion. With garlic, you peel them, you smash them, and you mince them. Okay, now that we're done prepping the veggies, here are all the ingredients for making sauté mushrooms and onions. I have 1 pound of portobello mushrooms, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, 3 tablespoons Worcestershire sauce. I use low sodium, 10 cloves minced garlic, 4 tablespoons unsalted butter, 2 medium-sized sweet onions, 1 teaspoon crushed rosemary, and 2 tablespoons olive oil. That's it. All right, folks, let's get cooking, shall we? Heat olive oil and melt the unsalted butter over medium-high heat in a large skillet. Add your mushrooms and cook until they start to turn wilted. Just give a minute. Add the onions and cook until they become slightly translucent. Then add the garlic, ground black pepper, and crushed rosemary and let it cook for 7 to 8 minutes, stirring occasionally on a medium-high heat. In the final minute, turn up the heat to high and add the Worcestershire sauce. Cook more for extra 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. That is it, folks. It is that simple. These easy salted mushrooms and onions are an elegant but easy side. Serve over grilled steak or alongside beef tenderloin or grilled chicken, or simply eat by itself as a light dinner. Thank you for watching the Unsalted Kitchen again. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get updates for new videos. Bye! See you soon!